Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com.
Hello, in this tutorial how to increase RAM size from SSVM and CPVM from Apache Cloud Stack cloud computing system. When your cloud system is production environment and huge instance and huge resource host storage, and then needed your system VM and SSVM for increased resource. So first time I destroy this system VM and SSVM and then create CPVM using offering as you want your RAM name, create CPVM console proxy shared CPU 2 megahertz 5 memory 1 GB 1024. For example, 2048 provides 2 GB RAM, and that means 1024, that means 1 GB RAM. Network speed not needed. Offer ASA not needed. Okay, then create and then create SSVM system offering. SSVM secondary storage VM. SSVM shared in no disk caching CPU port 2 must show 1 GB. Okay, then create and going to CPVM and collect ID. This is CPVM ID, and then going to SSVM and then collect ID, and step 3 going to global configuration, search console proxy service offering, going to global configuration and search console proxy, and then add this CPVM ID, then enter restart management service. Please restart your management service for your new settings to take effect. And then going to global configuration, search SS storage service offering, and type your created SSVM ID. Okay, fine. Then stop management service and then start management service. And then if your zone is disabled, then enable your zone and then auto create your system VM. This step I already dropped from my old VM. This step not needed. Then enable or disable your system VM. Yes, management server node is up. see this log. Now try to log in using admin and password, and I'm going to SystemVM not ready because of my zone is not enabled. So now I enable my zone and then we create SystemVM and ProxyVM using RAM. Okay, when I start full up and running, then I checking resource. Now checking server SystemVM resource login using root, and default password is password. Checking RAM. Yes, 987 megabyte. That means 1 GB. And then open console proxy VM. Password is same, 987 megabyte. That means 1 GB. Not any effect from my instance. My instance is properly access into my internet. This is my private cloud service, only private cloud. This is virtual router. One host, one cluster, one pod, and one zone, primary and secondary storage. My storage is NFS storage, secondary is NFS storage, and this is my CentOS instance. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.